SoFi stock is about to enter one of its most important moments, and what happens this week could decide everything. Right now, the market is heating up, earnings are around the corner, and SoFi is sitting in a position where it could either break out or pull back hard. Now, here's the thing. SoFi is not just another random hype stock. This is a company that has been growing fast, with over 30% growth year after year. And for a company already doing billions in revenue, that's a big deal. The real question is simple. Can they keep this growth going? Because if they can, this stock is not staying in the $20 range for long. But this is where things get serious. Earnings are coming very soon, and this is the moment where SoFi needs to prove itself. Investors are looking for strong revenue, more users, and solid future guidance. If SoFi delivers even a small beat, we could see a strong move up. But if they disappoint, this stock can drop just as fast. That's the risk. Now let's talk about what everyone really cares about, the price. You've probably heard people throwing around numbers like $30, $40, even $50. Is that possible? Short term, it might sound aggressive, but in this market, with momentum and hype, stocks can move a lot faster than expected. And that brings us to something very important: attention. SoFi is about to get massive exposure through major events, global audiences, and constant visibility. That kind of attention acts like free marketing, and more attention usually means more customers. And more customers means more revenue. Now zoom out for a second. The overall market is entering a very volatile phase. We've got big earnings coming, possible rate cuts, and a lot of money moving around. When that happens, high-growth stocks like SoFi tend to benefit the most. But let's be real. Stocks don't just move on fundamentals. They move on emotion. They move on hype. They move on FOMO. And SoFi is exactly the kind of stock that can suddenly catch fire. When that happens, retail investors rush in fast, and that's when you see those sharp upward moves. Looking a bit longer term, if SoFi keeps executing the way it has been, we could see their revenue climb significantly over the next few years. At that point, this becomes a completely different level company. So here's the bottom line. SoFi right now is a high-risk, high-reward setup. This week could be the start of a big move or a shakeout. Either way, it's a stock you need to be watching very closely. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know. Are you buying SoFi right now?